To overdraft on Cash App. You first need to understand what an overdraft is. An overdraft occurs when you spend more money than you have in your account, resulting in a negative balance. Cash App does offer an overdraft feature, but it is limited and subject to certain conditions. To overdraft on Cash App, you must have a Cash App debit card and have received at least $1,000 in direct deposits in the 30 days preceding the overdraft. The overdraft amount is also limited to $200, and you will be charged a fee for overdrafts that are not repaid within a certain time frame. To set up overdraft protection on Cash App, open the app and navigate to the Banking tab. Tap on the three dots next to your balance and select Overdrafts. If you are eligible for overdraft protection, you will see an option to enable it. Once you have enabled overdraft protection, you can overdraft on Cash App by using your Cash App debit card for a purchase that exceeds your available balance. You will receive a notification from Cash App when you overdraft, and you will be given a certain amount of time to repay the overdraft amount. It is essential to note that overdrafting on Cash App can result in fees, and it is crucial to only overdraft when absolutely necessary. To avoid overdraft fees, make sure to keep track of your balance and only spend what you can afford to repay. You can also set up notifications on Cash App to alert you when your balance is low. In summary, to overdraft on Cash App, you must have a Cash App debit card, have received at least $1,000 in direct deposits in the 30 days preceding the overdraft, and have enabled overdraft protection in the app. Always keep track of your balance and only overdraft when necessary to avoid fees.